Ma'am, let us start. Okay. Yes, good afternoon, students. Today my topic is in fraction is multiplication of fraction. How we multiply the fractions. Our topic is multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. How we multiply the fraction. The first rule is in our last topic, I told you about the addition and subtraction of fraction. But today I will tell you how we multiply the fraction. When we multiply the fraction by a natural number, when I multiply the fraction by a natural number, suppose I have written here 2, then how I will multiply this? And numerator is multiplied by numerator, and here the denominator is not given in the question. So I will put here 1. So 9 is multiplied by 1. So it is equal to 8 upon 9. This is the rule. How we will multiply the fraction with the natural number? Numerator is multiplied by the numerator, and here the denominator is not given. So I put here 1. So denominator is multiplied by the denominator. 9 1 ja 9. Next I am taking when the fraction is multiplied by the fractional number. I multiply 4 by 9 by 3 by 5. First I will take the example, then we will start your exercise. So numerator, because in all the fraction, no one is cancelled with anyone. These cross are not cancelled with any table, and these are not cancelled. These 3 and 5 are also not cancelled. So we multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So we will get now 4 3s are 12 and 9 5s are 45. Okay, it's clear now. Now we will start the exercise. Your exercise is 2.3, and you please note down these questions in your notebook. Your first question is evaluate और सिंप्लीफाई भी कह सकते हैं 7 multiply 3 upon 5. How you will multiply 7 multiply 3 upon 5? In the addition and subtraction, you have to take the LCM. But in multiplication and division, you will not take the LCM. Some students are doing wrong questions. But in these questions, when you have to multiply the fraction by the fraction or fraction by the natural number, so numerator are multiplied by the numerator and denominators are multiplied by the denominator. So you will get now 21 upon 5. And 21 upon 5 is your improper fraction. What is improper fraction? When your numerator is greater than its denominator, then it is called the improper fraction. And you can change the improper fraction into the mixed fraction also. 5 4 ja 20. 1 remainder comes out. So you can write like this, 4:1 upon 5. First write down the quotient, then remainder you will write down, and then the divisor. Now when the improper form change into the mixed fraction, then you can write down like this, 4:1 upon 5. And your next question is 21 multiply 3 upon 14. First you will see 21 and 14 both are the common factor, both have the common factor 7. Both are divisible by the 7 also. So you will divide these both of the number. 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21. Only the cross numbers are cancelled, or only you can cancel it by the numerator, by the denominator also. You can reduce, you can write it in the reduced form also, or denominator is not cancelled with the denominator and numerator is not cancelled with the numerator. Only in the cross section you can cancel it. Okay. 7 3 ja 21, 7 2 ja 14, because 7 is the common factor between them. So now 3 into 3. When you multiply 3 multiply by 3, you get 9. And when 1 is multiplied by 2, you will get 2. So 9 upon 2 is also improper fraction. So you will change it. 9 4 2 4 ja 8. One remainder left. So how you will write it now? 2 4 ja 8. 4 is to 1 upon 2. You will write like this. 4 is to 1 upon 2. Okay. One more question I am taking. Fourth question I am taking. Third question you will do it yourself. When the mixed form is given in the mixed fraction is given in the question, then you have to first convert it into the improper fraction. Then how you will convert it? 5 multiply 6 multiply by 4. 6 multiply by 4, it is equal to 24. And add 3 into 24, it is equal to 27. So 27 upon 4. You will write 6 is to 3 by 4 into is equal to 27 upon 4. So now no one number is cancelled. Okay, 5 and 4, they have no common factor. Only 1 is the common factor. And 27 and 1, it is also not cancelled. So multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 27 5 ja 135 upon 4. Now you will again change it into the mixed fraction. 4 3 is 12. One remainder आ गया आपका and 5 again carry. 4 3 is 12. Now 3 आपका remainder रह गया. 33 is to 3 by 4. This is the answer of your second question. Sorry, fourth question. Okay, 33 is to 3 upon 4. Again, I am repeating this question. 5 multiply 6 is to 3 upon 4. First, you have to convert this. 6 4 ja 24 plus 3, 27 upon 4. Then multiply 5 into 27. It is equal to 135. 135 divided by 4. You will change into the mixed fraction. You can again check it. When 33 is multiplied by 4, it is equal to 132, and you add it 3, it is equal to 135 upon 4. You can check it again and again. If you think that your answer is wrong, you will again check it. 33 into 4, it is equal to 132, and add 3, it is equal to 135 upon 4. This is the mixed fraction of 135 upon 4. These are the question of your first part, and now I am doing the second part. You will please be note down in your copies. Your second question is find 2 upon 3 of 18. When the of is written, I already told you in your first chapter, when of is written in the question, you can change of into multiply. You can write it in place of multiply. Then which number is cancelled now? 3 is the common factor. 18 is also divisible by 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18. Now 2 is multiplied by 6. It is equal to 12. Answer of this question is 12. First you have to change of multiply, of change into multiply. Then it is equal to 18 into 18. So 3 and 18, these have the common factor 3. So multiply 18 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18. Now here 6 is left. So you multiply 2 into 6, it is equal to 12. And one more question I am doing. This is the first part, and third part I am doing. 5 upon 8 of 9 is to 2 by 3. Second and fourth part you will do it yourself. Second part you will do it yourself. Of change into multiply. And this is your mixed fraction. You will change mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 3 9 ja 27. First you multiply 3 multiply 9, then add 2. It is equal to 3 9 ja 27 plus 2, 29 upon 3. Now you will check, you have to check whether it is cancelled by any common factor or not. These are not cancelled. So multiply numerator with the multiply numerator. 5 multiply by 29 and 8 multiply by 3. So 29 when multiplied by 5, it is equal to 29 multiplied by 5. 5 9 ja 45, 5 2 ja 10 plus 4, 145. Divided by 8 3 ja 24. Now you will change into the mixed fraction now. Again, you will change into the mixed fraction. How you will change this? This one, 145 when divided by 24, 24 5 ja 120, 24 6 ja 144. 24 6 ja 144. So 1 is remainder left. So how you will write it in the mixed fraction? 6 is to 1 upon 24. First you have to write down the divisor. Then you will have to write down the remainder. Then divisor you have to write. So this is the mixed fraction of 145 upon 24. Your third question is, evaluate the following when the two fractions are given. Evaluate the following when the two fractions are multiplied. Now, which number is cancelled? 9 and 3. These both have the common factor 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Now 5 multiplied by 1 and 7 is multiplied by the 3. So 5 1 ja 5 and 3 7 ja 21. Now your denominator is greater, numerator is less. This is the proper fraction. Proper fraction you cannot change into the mixed fraction. Only improper fraction, when your numerator is greater than the denominator, then you can change. Otherwise, when the numerator is less than its denominator, you cannot change into the mixed fraction. Third question is, this is your first part. Second, you will do it yourself. 2 is to 1 upon 3 multiply 5 is to 4 upon 21. How you will multiply these two numbers? First, you have to change into the improper fraction. 3 2 ja 6 or 1, 7 upon 3. And 21 5 ja 105 plus 4, 109 upon 21. This is the question. So, which are cancelled? 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. These are not cancelled by the one factor. So 109 into 1, it is equal to 109, and 3 multiplied by 3, it is equal to 9. Now you have to change this number into this fraction, this improper fraction, because numerator is greater. Numerator जब बड़ा होता है denominator से, then it is called the improper fraction. Now you will have to change this into the mixed fraction. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. So your answer is 12 is to 1 upon 9. Okay. Note down these questions in your notebook. If the fraction is given in the mixed fraction, first you have to change into the improper fraction. Then your answer is also, when it comes in the improper fraction, you can change it to the mixed fraction again. Fourth question, find the value of first part is 1/3 of ₹42. First you have to change into multiply, and ₹42 is given. So 42 is divided by 3. Okay, so 3 1 ja 3 and 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. So it is equal to, its value is equal to ₹14. 42 को डिवाइड करना है आपको 3 से. 3 1 ja 3 and 2 मैंने कैरी किया, 3 4 ja 12. Your answer is ₹14. And second question, 3/7 of, when rupees is given, you will write down in the answer rupees. When kg is given, your answer is, you have to write down your answer in kg. Okay, 3/7 of 4:2/3 kg. Now first of, you have to change the sign of, change into multiply, and 3 4 ja 12 plus 2, 14/3. Now which number are cancelled? 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. In the cross they are cancelled, और आप न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को कैंसिल कर सकते हो, क्रॉस में कैंसिल कर सकते हो, but numerator with the numerator you cannot cancel, and with the denominator and denominator you can't cancel it. Okay, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So your answer is 2 kg of this question. Now when there is written times in place of, there is written times, then you have to put the sign multiply. In your third question, you, in place of times, you have to put the sign multiply. Okay. Now your fifth question is, which is greater? Which is greater? How will you check which portion is greater? First is 2/7 of 3/4, and the second one is 3/5 of 5/8. How will you check which is greater? First, of change into multiply. Then you see which are cancelled. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. 3 1 ja 3, 7 2 ja 14. This is your first portion. Okay. और second क्या है आपका? 3/5 of change into multiply. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. It is equal to 3/8. And first portion is 3/14, and your second portion is 3/8. Now, how will you check which portion is greater? When the numerator is equal, when the numerators are equal, then how will you compare these two fractions? You will see the denominator. Which denominator is less, that is greater than the another one. Okay, so when your numerators are equal, जब न्यूमरेटर बराबर होते हैं, when the numerators are equal, then you see the denominator, then check the denominator, and which denominator portion is smaller, that is the greater part. Okay, so 3/8 is greater than 3/14. So which portion, which fraction is 3/8? 3/5 of 5/8 is greater than 2/7 of 3/4. In this question, what you have to say first? First you have to first you have to solve it. How you will solve this? Here it is given of change into multiply. Then which number are cancelled? You have to cancel it. It is equal to 3/14. Or 3/5, again change it into the multiply into 5/8. Cancel 5 with 5, it is equal to 3/8. Now 3/14 or 3/8. How will you check which is greater? Don't take the LCM or change into the equivalent fraction. You will only judge by seeing the numerator portion. When your numerator portion are equal, then you check the denominator. Which thing you will check? You see which portion is lesser, which is lesser, that is greater than the greater part. So 3/8 is greater than the 3/14. So 3/8 is 3/5 of 5/8 is greater than 2/7 of 3/4. Second question, you will attempt it yourself of fifth question. Now I am doing the sixth question.
Hello, Rajni ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
10 minutes or more.
How many minutes are left, ma'am?
10 minutes, ma'am. Only 10 minutes.
Okay. I will complete my one question. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sixth question is. Sixth question is, if 1 meter cloth costs rupees 13:3/4, the cost of, now these are your statement question. The cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 31:3/4 rupees. You have to convert it into the improper fraction. How you will convert it into the improper fraction? 31 multiplied by 4. That is equal to 124 and add 3. It is equal to 127/4 rupees. Okay? And you have to change it. Find the cost of. You have to find the cost of 5:1/2 meter cloth. You have to find the cost of 5:1/2 meter. 1 meter cost is given in the starting, and you have to find 5:1/2 meter. When you have to find the more quantity, आपको पहले 1 मीटर की कॉस्ट दे रखी थी. Now you have to find the 5:1/2 meter cost. Then it is more. So it is multiplied by 5:1/2. 5 2s are 10 or 1, 11/2. Now you have to multiply 127/11. It is equal to 1397/8. Now you will have to change this one into the improper fraction. So while changing it into the mixed fraction, this is given in the improper fraction. 8 1 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56, 8 4 ja 32, 5 is left. So you will write your answer like this: 174:5/8 meter, 5/8 rupees. You have to find the cost in rupees. Now you will try yourself the remaining question. this topic is, today your topic is multiplication of fraction. How you are multiplying the fraction, by the fractional number or by the natural numbers, and how you find which is greater or lesser part. Today I will tell you the whole part of multiplication of fraction. Now students, if you have any doubt regarding this topic, then you can ask. Yes, students, if you have any doubt, then you can ask, please.